We have number 7 here, which is to use the y-intercept and the coefficient to match the equation with the graph. All we have here is the a value and the c value. Let's get the a value here. The a value here is at 4. So the fact that we know it's 4, it's positive. We know it's positive. So it's going to open upwards. The constant here is that -3. So c equals to -3. What is important about that is that's actually going to get us the y-intercept. That means the y-intercept is going to be the point 0, -3. So let's look for that. Something positive, and the y-intercept is -3. And so we know that it's either the second one or the last one. Next, we can take a look at the a value. Besides it being positive, we see a equals to 4. That is very large. So this means it's going to be very tall. So it's either B or C. It has to be the second or the fourth one. It has to be the second one because the graph is very tall. So we can say that this is f of x is equal to 4x squared minus 3. Next, here we see that the a is 1/4. So this is positive. So it's going to open upwards. And it's 1/4. So it's going to be very fat or wide. The c is -3. So the y-intercept is 0, -3. And that seems to be that last one here. F of x is equal to 1/4 x squared minus 3. So the only difference between a and b is the a value. And one is skinny, the other one's wide. And c, here the a value is 4. So this is going to be super tall, positive. And it's going to go upward, pointing upwards. The c is 3, so the y-intercept is 0, 3. The only one that would be the first one here. That would be our c value. That's f of x is equal to 4x squared plus 3. So there you go. That is how you use that a value and the constant to graph.